Do you wish you could quit teaching and start working from home so you could spend more time with your babies? Are you tired of scouring the internet for legit jobs that will replace your teaching income and that you can do from home in your PJs? Hey mama, welcome to Ditch the Classroom. I know you're over there Googling jobs for teachers, legit work at home jobs, or start a side hustle, yet you can't figure out how to take that first step toward quitting teaching. So instead, you stay stuck, do nothing, or start random side hustles to make quick money. Virtual assistance is the answered prayer you've been waiting for. My name's Ariana, and I'm a former teacher turned work-at-home mom who replaced my teaching income as a virtual assistant in just 6 months. I did this by taking a step of faith and following the dream that God placed on my heart to be home with my babies. Sister, your dreams pale in comparison to God's dreams for you. Imagine offering services that light you up and having a job that works around your life and not the other way around. This is the podcast for you. It's time to take that first step out of teaching. Are you ready? Here we go. Hey y'all, welcome back to another episode of Quick Tip Thursday here on the Digital Classroom Podcast. Today's question is, which virtual assistant services are the most profitable to offer? You guys, there are over 100 different virtual assistant services you can offer. So I'm just going to walk you through 5 that I think are the most profitable. Remember, even if you don't know how to offer one of these services yet, you can always learn a new skill. It does not take that long, and you don't have to know everything about the skill. You just need to know the basics and just learn as you go. One thing I do want to mention here is that in the Teacher Turned Freelancer Academy, we have an entire unit that is going to teach you about a lot of these profitable virtual assistant skills. So if that's something that you're interested in, go check that out at teacherturnedfreelancer.com. You can see, I think it's Unit 9, has all the different service trainings that we have in there, and I'm constantly adding to that. All right, so first, most profitable virtual assistant service you can offer, podcast management. This is a great one. So many businesses are launching podcasts right now, and they need somebody to manage it. This is not that hard, you guys. There's a free program that most people use to record called Audacity. Another one I think is called GarageBand, but they're really easy to learn, and we have a training for this in TTFA. Number 2 is social media management, especially right now in this world where, we've got all the sickness going around and stuff. A lot more businesses are coming online, so you don't have to go in the store, and they need someone to manage their social media for them. So this is a great one to do, and especially TikTok. TikTok is huge right now, and businesses just don't have the time to pour into their social media. So if you come in, you just give them the ideas, you take it over for them, and you can make bank. All right, number 3 is website design. Like I said, businesses are coming online. They need their websites built. This is an awesome service to offer. One thing to note here, though, I think every other service I have listed here is like an ongoing recurring service where you would keep your clients month to month. But with website design, you're not really going to be doing that because you're not going to be building somebody a new website every month. So keep in mind with website design, you do have to try to find new clients each month, but it's not too bad. Number 4 is you can become an online business manager. So you can help a business manage all aspects of like hiring, setting up systems, just all the back end stuff of the business. So if you really love the back end, like being the behind the scenes person in somebody's business, online business manager is a great option for you. All right. And then number 5 is email marketing. So if you love writing, you love setting up some of the tech sequences in the background to make sure different people are seeing different emails based on like what they're interested in. Email marketing is a great option for you. All right, so let me recap those real quick. Number 1 was podcast management. Number 2 was social media management. Number 3 was website design. 4 was an online business manager, also called an OBM. And then number 5 was email marketing. I want you to remember that you should be picking a service that lights you up. Don't just pick a service that you already know how to do. You
can learn, you can figure things out. And I have here on the podcast a whole entire virtual assistant services series. That's a mouthful. Episodes 47 through 55, and then episodes 71 through 77. I'm teaching you all about the different virtual assistant services you can offer and kind of going more into depth about what those look like. So you can easily find all of those episodes anywhere you listen to podcasts. Just search the Ditch the Classroom podcast. Or you can also go to ditchtheclassroom.com/vault. That's VAULT. And in there, I have all of the episodes I've ever recorded organized by topic, and you can easily go in and search there. So again, the Virtual Assistant Services series, those are episodes 47 through 55 and 71 through 77. All right, do you have a question you would love for me to answer here on the show? I invite you to go to our free Facebook community. That's facebook.com/groups/Ditch the Classroom. Scroll to the Quick Tip Thursday post, comment with your question there, and I would be more than happy to answer it for you. All right, y'all, I love you so much, and we will see you next time.
Thanks so much for hanging out with me today. I'd love to bless you with a free gift as a thank you. All you have to do is leave a review of the show on Apple Podcasts, take a screenshot, and send it to podcast@ditchtheclassroom.com. I'll send you a code so you can snag my Ditch the Classroom toolkit for free. And don't forget to come hang out with us in our free community, facebook.com/groups/Ditch the Classroom. I'm so honored to support you in your journey to becoming a virtual assistant. Until next week, y'all, keep following the dreams that were placed on your heart so you too can ditch the classroom.